As far as check policy which was finalized by the cabinet, complication has arisen because of NGT order, which is in respect of CZMP, Coastal Zone Management Plan only. In that day said finally, once the order was done, the judge again said that till CZMP is not finalized, is not prepared by the state government and submitted to Ministry of Environment and Forest, check policy should be kept on hold. Now there are two types of check policies. One is this check policy which is on government beaches, and one is private check policy, which CM Chief Minister was referring in the house is actually related to private check policy, private checks. So we have decided today. I have requested the Chief Minister, the Advocate General, to go back to the NGT, same court back again, re-appeal, and no, we will submit our say that because the check policy on the beach is only of 6 months. It's 6 months. It's purely temporary in nature, where the shacks would have been October and dismantled in April end. And we are duty bound to give the CZMP map in November. So CZMP map will come out in November as per the direction and the time we have asked from NGT. All the states in India have already come out, and I feel that people of Goa have to cooperate, because CZMP will give very clarification where you can construct and where you cannot construct. How much a traditional fisherman or any other toddy tapper or any other coastal inhabitant who is staying within 500 meters of the high tide line can construct, where and he cannot construct, and how much he can construct. So this is what CZMP will define, and it is very much required for the state of Goa.
So what you will go back to this thing?
We have decided that we go back to the NGT with a prayer that it is the tourism which will get affected. The foreign tourists to come to Goa, they require deck beds and shack. It's an additional facility for those tourists as well as Indian tourism. On unemployment point of view, which is there, a lot of unemployed youth gets this check. So this check policy, which is finalized by the state government, should be allowed pending CZMP map which has to come out. And we are duty bound to bring it out in November.
शेक जातले स्टार्ट जातले ह्या वर्सा काय दुबाव
Check, as per the NGT order, we cannot give the lottery, start with the lottery process, where the
But this
checks are
this is also implemented for private checks now.
Now once the court says checks means everything comes in the
Comes
picture.
into it.
So CZMP map has to come out, and the coastal inhabitants have to be ready for the CZMP map, and it is in their interest. The map is in their interest. लोकांनी समजूंक जाय की हे मॅप जे भायर सरतले तेंचे इंट्रस्टाचे. आयज तांकां रिकन्स्ट्रक्ट करूंक मेळना घर, तांकां नयें घर बांदूंक मेळना, तांकां जे अशी नोटिफिकेशन म्हणटा 2018 नोटिफिकेशन म्हणटा तांकां बांदूंक मेळटा, सगळें रिकन्स्ट्रक्ट करूंक मेळटा, रिपेर रिनोवेशन करूंक मेळटा, नयें घर बांदूंक मेळटा तेंच्या घराचे सायडीक टू द एक्सटेंडेड फॅमिली, लायक भावाक आनीक नयें बांदूंक मेळटा, घराक तेकोर आनीक घर बांदूंक मेळटा. सो रुल्स एंड रेग्युलेशन आहा, 9 मीटर हायट सगळें आहा. हें जर करतलो जाल्यार CZMP मॅप येवपाक जाय. त्या खातीर लोकांनी आमकां सपोर्ट करपाक जाय, CZMPक सपोर्ट करपाक. इट इज अ ऑटोनॉमस बॉडी, नथींग रिलेटेड टू द गव्हर्मेंट डायरेक्ट. इट इज अ ऑटोनॉमस बॉडी. तांकां सपोर्ट करपाक जाय आनी हो मॅप भायर हाडपाक.